welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best side dish red rice recipe. If you guys love our Mexican red rice recipe, you'll love this one. For this recipe, you'll need basmati rice, water, Kinder buttery steakhouse seasoning that is just absolutely amazing. I highly recommend, if you guys can find this, that you purchase it and put it in everything. Knorr tomato chicken bouillon, butter, olive oil, and 1 medium bay leaf. Place your pan on a medium heat and drizzle a little bit of olive oil. That's about 1 tablespoon. Add your butter. Once your butter is melted, you're going to add your rice. Make sure to coat all your rice into that beautiful oil blend that we have. And we're going to be here for about 4 to 6 minutes until we achieve a nice golden tone. After about 6 minutes, you should have a nice toasty golden tone in your rice. And that's when you want to add your water. Add your tomato chicken bouillon, your Kinder buttery seasoning, 1 bay leaf. Combine all your ingredients. Once your water comes to a boil, place a lid over your pan and continue cooking on a low temperature for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, you want to turn your burner off. Our rice is nice and fluffy and just very well seasoned. Cooked to perfection, amigos. But don't get too excited. What you want to do now is place your lid back on your pan or your pot, whatever you're using, and let it set for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you want to take your lid off and just go through your pot and fluff up your rice. Say ah. As always, Views Club and Bell Notification Squad, Claude and I are wishing you the best. We absolutely adore you. And on that one, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Adios! Amigos, please let us know what you thought about this recipe in the comment area. If you're wondering how you can get a hold of the Kinder seasoning, I found and purchased mine at Costco. Amazon has it, and I know that my grocery store has it. So you guys should be able to find it. And if you guys want to come back and let us know where you found it, it'll help our friends out. Definitely go with basmati rice for this blend.